Hey guys, Jennifer Lopez here. I am youthful and timeless at every age.
Meet the iconic diva, Jennifer Lopez, whose age-defying allure has captivated audiences for decades. Despite the passing years, her career remains as vibrant as ever. Back in 2000, at the age of 31, she stunned the world in that unforgettable Grammy Awards dress. Fast forward 19 years, and she appears untouched by time. If anything, she's even more radiant. In 2019, her updated dress exuded even more allure than the original. In the previous year, at 54 years old, J.Lo continues to defy age with grace. In a candid interview with US Weekly, she confessed, "I see pictures of myself in my 20s and think, oh, I look better now." Embracing her true self, she exudes confidence, feeling sexy, youthful, and undeniably pretty. Her appearance at the Grammy Awards reaffirmed this sentiment as she dazzled in yet another stunning dress. We will take a look at her exercise routine as well as what she eats for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. We will also look at what she avoids eating to stay healthy. The last part of the video will share 3 supplements she swears by, so watch this video till the very end for all the juicy details. Jennifer Lopez exercise routine.
We all wake up with no makeup on. It's no different for me than it is for everybody else. You have to put in the work yourself. You have to take care of yourself, and there's no shortcuts. She understands the woman's body. She knows that, different muscle groups and getting them to kind of work, as opposed to everything that guys do all the time, which is not the body that we want.
Jennifer prioritizes starting her day with a sweat session amidst her packed schedule, firmly believing that exercise serves as a significant motivator in her life. She openly acknowledges that fitness holds a prominent place in her daily routine, asserting a direct link between physical activity and mental well-being. As for her workout frequency, Jennifer commits to at least 3 or 4 sessions per week, enlisting the guidance of trainers on both coasts, Tracy Anderson in Los Angeles and David Kurz in New York. While recognizing that not everyone may afford a personal trainer, Jennifer advocates for a similar mindset towards exercise, seldom allowing herself to skip a session. Even when faced with late-night work commitments, she adopts a just-do-it mentality, recognizing that it's merely an hour of investment to counteract any inclination towards laziness. To infuse enjoyment into her fitness regimen, Jennifer incorporates elements of dance into her training, integrating light weights for the arms along with targeted movements for the lower body and core engagement. When aiming for a leaner physique, she balances 30 minutes of cardio with an equal duration of resistance training, focusing on different muscle groups in each session for a comprehensive full-body workout. Jennifer emphasizes the significance of strength training in maintaining muscle mass and combating age-related discomfort, expressing a sense of empowerment derived from feeling strong and capable. She underscores the importance of flexibility and mobility alongside strength training, advocating for a holistic approach to physical well-being. Jennifer Lopez breakfast.
I usually start off with a shake in the morning.
Yeah, it's Greek yogurt. You can even do a little bit of honey if you want, some lemon.
Her custom blended flavors comprises a nourishing fusion of berries, Greek yogurt, cinnamon, honey, ice cubes, a dash of fresh lemon, and a dose of protein powder. Jennifer's trainer, Tracy Anderson, emphasizes the importance of providing Jennifer with premium fuel to support her active lifestyle. This concoction is meticulously crafted with organic ingredients, ensuring a balance of top-tier proteins and nutrient-rich foods. Jennifer Lopez lunch.
I'll have a lunch, and it'll usually be something like, chicken and salad, or vegetables, or quinoa.
She satisfies her hunger with a high-protein, low-carb combination, such as fish paired with a salad of broccoli, zucchini, and peppers tossed in a vinaigrette, as described by Chef Kelvin Fernandez. He explains, "I know Jennifer isn't keen on salmon, so when I'm preparing it for the table, I always opt for sea bass, halibut, or cod for her." She simply prefers the texture and taste of these alternatives over salmon. Jennifer Lopez dinner.
And then at night, sometimes I just eat whatever I want, to be honest. I think a lot of it has to do with portion control.
Jennifer's preferred evening meal consists of a high-protein, low-carb combination. She often chooses lean protein paired with quinoa, which resembles rice and beans, a staple from her upbringing. Scientifically, quinoa surpasses rice in nutrients such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. It serves as a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. Moreover, quinoa boasts higher fiber content than brown rice, facilitating better blood sugar control and fostering beneficial gut bacteria. While a typical family dinner may include French fries and bread, Jennifer explains that these are primarily for the kids. Although she occasionally indulges in them, they do not constitute a significant portion of her plate. Instead, she prioritizes protein, vegetables, and a modest amount of healthy fats from salad toppings. This balanced approach, incorporating both protein and carbohydrates, aids muscle recovery post-workout. Jennifer Lopez snacks. Jennifer avoids junk food like chips and instead opts for planned snacks to combat unexpected cravings. She always has fruits and veggies on hand for snacking. J.Lo's diet includes plenty of green vegetables such as asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and kale. She enjoys cooking Puerto Rican dishes, which often feature pork and chicken, reflecting her upbringing. When dining out, Jennifer prefers fish and vegetables. Jennifer drinks a lot of water.
Believe it or not, it does help keep your weight down.
Her beverage choice typically leans towards water, which she finds essential for staying hydrated. Downing ample water, particularly before hitting the gym, is key for maximizing workout performance. Yet, if water seems too bland, Jennifer also savors Body Armor Light, a sugar-free, low-calorie drink crafted with a coconut water base. Coconut water boasts numerous health benefits thanks to its rich electrolyte content, comprising potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Potassium plays a vital role in muscle function, while adequate calcium intake is crucial to prevent issues like low bone density and fragility. Magnesium serves multifaceted roles in the body, from protein synthesis to regulating blood sugar and pressure, as well as managing muscle and nerve function. As for her dietary choices promoting radiant skin and a toned physique, Jennifer steers clear of certain foods, which she doesn't eat.
A couple quick rapid-fire questions. You smoke?
No.
You drink?
No.
Jennifer Lopez abstains from both coffee and alcohol. Even after receiving the 2018 Vivanes Vanguard Award, instead of indulging in celebratory drinks, she opted to put her children to bed and attended her own after-party on New York's Lower East Side. Reports suggest she didn't consume any champagne at the event. Lopez openly admitted, "I don't drink or smoke or have caffeine. That really wrecks your skin as you get older." Despite societal norms dictating celebratory toasts with alcohol, she chooses to toast with water, avoiding the negative effects of alcohol on her skin. Let's now delve into Jennifer's first supplement and explore the intriguing aspects of her wellness routine. 3 supplements.
But remember, you have more than regular energy. It's Jennifer Lopez energy.
That she swears by. First, apple cider vinegar. Jennifer Lopez is known for her vibrant energy and health-conscious lifestyle. She's a devoted fan of apple cider vinegar gummies, a habit shared by other celebrities like Katy Perry, Kim Kardashian, Scarlett Johansson, and Victoria Beckham. The active ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid, believed by researchers to be responsible for its numerous health benefits. One of the most compelling uses of vinegar is in managing type 2 diabetes. Moreover, several studies indicate that vinegar can enhance insulin function and reduce blood sugar levels after meals. It can be easily incorporated into one's diet by using it in cooking, such as in salad dressings or homemade mayonnaise. In addition to apple cider vinegar, Jennifer Lopez incorporates another supplement into her routine, ashwagandha. Another supplement that Jennifer often relies on is made of ashwagandha.
Time for ashwagandha. You are strong. Smart word, beautiful. Just chill.
This herb, characterized by its small shrub with yellow flowers indigenous to India and Southeast Asia, offers various health benefits. Extracted from the ashwagandha root, it is known to alleviate stress, promote relaxation, enhance sleep quality, boost fertility, and support memory and concentration. Notably, Jennifer Lopez incorporates ashwagandha combined with vitamin D into her routine. Vitamin D, a crucial fat-soluble vitamin, plays a vital role in the healthy development of bones, teeth, and muscles, while also bolstering the immune system. This supplement encapsulates the synergy between ashwagandha and vitamin D, providing comprehensive support for overall well-being. Third supplement Jennifer takes: multivitamins. At the core of Jennifer's formula are essential vitamins A, C, and E. These powerhouse nutrients bolster the body's resilience against oxidative stress while stimulating skin regeneration. Additionally, Inner Love features copper and manganese, pivotal elements that bolster collagen synthesis, leading to visibly firmer skin. However, what sets Jennifer's supplement apart is the inclusion of olive fruit extract, a super ingredient she fervently advocates for.
kind of crazy beauty secrets. One was olive oil.
Olive fruit extract offers potent antioxidant properties, amplifying skin protection while imparting a surge of hydration and luminosity. Jennifer attributes her admiration for olive-based skincare to a cherished family tradition, her mother's enduring use of olive oil as a panacea for skin and hair ailments. In essence, Jennifer's philosophy underscores the significance of nurturing the body internally for radiant, resilient skin, echoing her deeply ingrained family values and beauty rituals.
Thank you. I love you guys. Have the most amazing day. Remember, I am magnificent and my life is full of joy, laughter, adventure, and love. Success and prosperity too. Put it all in there. Bye.